Okay, now let's see if we can do this function called RollDie. So let's write that. Now this has got to take as an input the function the number of dice, so let's call that number of dice. Okay, so that will take that as a parameter. So end function. Now what all we've got to do in here is we've got to end up by returning the highest score of the highest of the 3 dice. So let's put there return highest. So that's the last thing that's got to happen. So the first thing that's got to happen must be to start that off at something which is improbable, which can't be got with the roll of a dice. And then we need to roll the dice so many times. That's the number of dice. So that's going to be a for loop, because we know how many times it's going to be. So let's have a counter equals 1 to number of dice. Okay, and that's what we want to do. So in this we want to get the score. So that will be from get input. Okay, so roll dice and they enter the score, that's what they get, and we want to ask the question, is that score bigger than the highest? So if score is greater than the highest, then we're going to swap the highest and the score around. So highest becomes score. Okay, if it's not, nothing needs to happen. So that will keep going round until we get to 3. So that will go round 3. If its number of dice is 3, it will go around it 3 times, and then it will go around it 2 times, and it will always give us back the highest one. Okay, so that should work. So let's work on that. So we've got roll 3 dice, 2 dice, 1 dice. That will work, and then that will get the score. And now we need to have a check for win.